Sometimes I wonder if flat earthers ever went to school at all. I'm not sure about that one. Today we will have a visit at CC, Chris from New York, and have a look at two of his latest videos. Let's start.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you may be. CC here, Chris from New York, Westchester County. It's 3/4/2023.
Hi Chris, Arctic Reflections here from Sweden. What rubbish do you have for us today?
Nice. You know, sometimes I get these emails of people that are just so brain dead. You know, they really are. You're brain dead if you still think you live on a spinning wet ball. And they say, you know, why not give it up? It's, you know, been so many years now. Give it up. Give up the flat earth. You see, now that's funny, because how does one do that? Okay, when a flat earther like myself has dissected this bullshit that we've been taught all of our lives.
Dissected. You haven't done any research, any real observation. You have done nothing but studied at YouTube University.
There's no way of putting that puzzle back together again. Don't you realize that? I mean, let's just start off with the fucking stars. The most obvious fucking thing that you can see up in the sky. The stars. Let's talk about stars. I want to talk about stars with you. Something that are light years away. Light years away. Okay? That within itself should tell you bullshit. There's no way you can see anything a light year away.
And now you will present facts that backs that statement up, or?
It's impossible. What does light do at an extreme distance? What does it do? Okay, think about it. What does light do at extreme distances? It opens up wider. Okay, it doesn't narrow in at all. It opens up wider. Okay, so there is absolutely no way that you can see anything at all at any point up in the sky that's in space. It would be impossible.
And what is the lights we see every dark and clear night up in the sky? What are that? Oh, sorry. You have no explanation for that on your flat earth fantasy.
Maybe you could see the fake planets up there, but stars that are light years away. I don't understand the stupidity of people.
So you admit that there are planets up there? What is up there then, if space is fake?
I mean, they buy all of this stuff. They haven't proven anything to themselves. They've done no research at all whatsoever.
I think that describes CC very well, because he has never done any research at all.
They're regurgitating all the shit that they've learned all of their lives in a fucking book and in a professor who's sitting in front of them with a globe right behind them for 15 fucking years, and they don't bother to research. But then they come after us flat earthers who know everything when it comes down to science.
Education and knowledge is flat Earth's biggest enemy. I know that, CC. And regarding science, you are a science-denying fool, as are the rest of the flat Earth gang.
Which is all bullshit. Nonsense that you've been fed. Garbage. Lies. They don't even... the scientists are working off of... Oh God, geez. You know, I'll tell you. I mean, okay. Let's talk about taxes, okay? Taxes. Taxes were originally made in 1943. I think it was around the same time daylight savings time was, maybe 1970, 1980. No. Well, that's another video. Taxes were originally there to help them fight WW2.
As usual, CC have made his research. The US federal income tax was created in 1861 during the Civil War. Oh dear CC, you check nothing, you never make your own research.
Okay, all right, I understand that. Okay, I'm gonna, take a couple of bucks out of my paycheck, we'll win the war, and then everything will be back to normal, right? No, taxes are now something that people have grown up with. We just accept it. We get a little piece of our paycheck taken out every single month. Yes, every single paycheck, depending on how you get paid. And that chunk is given to the government. They can do whatever the hell they want with it.
And here's how your federal taxes was spent last year. Oh dear, 0.3% of your taxes did go to NASA. Oh. The rest of the video he was talking about how taxes was spent on building bridges, that politicians built mansions with money and so on. But let's move on to the next video that he published from his kitchen the same day.
Same day. Do you know anybody that's part of the military?
Yes, CC, I do. All my colleagues in the Navy. Why do you want to know, CC?
I don't. They're under the oath of silence.
Yes, CC, there are many things I can't talk about regarding my work in the military. But if you work at a big company as Apple, Tesla or another and reveals business secrets, you also will get in big trouble. Is that so hard to understand?
Do you know anybody at all that have worked for NASA? And I'm not talking about working for NASA in terms of, behind the scenes, building the rockets and all that other nonsense. Because as far as they know, they are building a rocket that's going to space. So they're building it. Okay. That's what they're doing. They're building a rocket that's going into space.
Why would they build a rocket to launch and then they don't send it to space? That makes no sense, CC.
You know, what I found out about all these fake astronauts is that there's one thing that I find out that doesn't make any sense, is they keep telling us they see nothing up in space, when a light source, spectrum, opens up as far as the eye can see. So, as far as I'm concerned, space should be all lit up with all these stars. There shouldn't be any darkness at all, whatsoever.
CC, do you understand why you see stars at night and not at the day? I'm convinced that CC don't understand that. No one says that space is pitch black. It's you who don't understand, CC.
Fuck. People, you live on a flat land. Space does not exist. You've been lied to all of your fucking life.
And CC, you belong to a cult that can't agree on anything. You don't have a model, you don't have a map, you can't explain anything that we see in reality. What is the sun? How far away is it? What is the moon? How far away is it? What holds the atmosphere to the earth in your model? You have nothing. Yes, you have a lot of bullshit and nonsense.
And that's it. I'm done. I mean, really. I thank you for subbing. I thank you for viewing my videos. Let me be a part of your life.
Am I a part of your life, CC? Oh dear, perhaps I have to stop making videos about you. Thank you all helping me, helping Ukraine. I have got a big donation from some colleagues, so I'm very close to be able to order one more drone and a big power bank. I think I need 300 euros more and then I will send the next one. So a big thanks to all helping me, helping Ukraine. If you want to help, every donation counts. Use PayPal, link in the description. That was all for this time. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit like, subscribe, become a member, or just come back next time I'm showing a video. See you soon. Bye.